Welcome back to my channel. Angela here, Angela Mutavi Art, and in today's video I want to use this canvas here that is a 14 by 14. I had used it before, but I wanna go ahead and reuse it. I've already poured my paint, and this is the paint that I've already poured on here. It's base. And this paint is just paint that I've accumulated on here, and I collected it. And after collecting this from the tub, what I did was I strained it and put a little bit more Floetrol in it, and now I can use it as base. Now my only concern is that this paint, I was using it for cloud pour before, and it might have a lot of satin enamels in it, but we shall find out. If it's got a lot of cloud and satin enamels, deco art satin enamels in it, it might produce some puffiness in there, but you know, that's okay, because I'm gonna be doing a cloud pour anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the colors I'm using. I'm actually only using 3 colors and the white. So let me get this thing out of here. So I had already started pouring here. I got this little container from Amazon. It's a pouring container. It's got 4 compartments where you can put your paint in, and they don't mix. Basically all I do is just put the paint in it as much as you need to have. And I'm using yellow. This is lemon yellow by Teza. And then this one here is Liquitex Basics Magenta with Floetrol and GAC 800. You know, my regular, my normal mixing recipe in there. If you want to see the recipe, I have it. I will have it on the description box below. And again, I will link this the Amazon link for these pouring containers. I will link them in my description, so you can click on that and buy them if you need to buy them, or you can just buy whatever on Amazon using that link. Okay, and then so those are the colors I'm gonna use. This beautiful bluish color, greenish color. It's actually blue green, and it's a mixture of 2 colors, blue and green. And the brand is Flash. They're type of kind of metallic colors. And I also added a little bit of Arteza green. So it's a mixture of 3 different colors. 3 different colors with 2 brands. That is Arteza brand and the Flash metallic. And this here is my cloud mixture. And again, if you want to see the recipe, just go ahead and check on my description box. And I will also mention it towards the end of this video. Okay, so we are going to try that and see how it turns out. And again, I just wanted to go ahead and reuse this canvas. I'm gonna try to do like different puddles, and I'm not gonna completely mix them together. Like, I'm just gonna pour them. I'm gonna let them sit and spread on their own. I'm not gonna try to tilt, because I'm not sure if I have too many puddles and I tilt, they just won't work very well. And I think my white the cloud mixture white. It has pretty good enough satin enamels to kind of spread everything around. So let's start in the middle. We're just gonna pour a ring, and this is how it pours. We need to be in the middle though. I'm off canvas here. I'm off the middle. Doesn't look like my yellow is pouring. It only looks like white is pouring, but I don't want to add too much. I guess I just need to pour really fast so all the other colors, yeah, now the other colors are coming out. This is the first time I'm using this, and it's okay, but it's a challenge. Not bad, not bad. It's just that it's got a lot of white, but that's okay. Maybe we can tilt it out a little bit. We can stretch it. And before I do that, I've had this painting sitting, but still we need to stretch it out. I like to see more color in the middle, so I'm going to add another. The white is too much, so I'm not going to put any white in it anymore because I already have a lot of white. So I'm just going to put these colors. And by the way, this pouring container packet comes in about 6. I'll tell you about it in a minute because I don't want to mess this up. All right. It's not pouring very well. Maybe the paint is too thick. And I'm sorry that the pouring container is covering my ring. You can see what I'm pouring down, but once I remove it, you'll be able to see it is turning out really beautiful. And as I was saying, that this package of the pouring containers come in 6, at least the one that I got comes in 6 of them, from 1 slot to 6 slots. At least that's what I got. But at least I got some color. So the middle is not the best. I want a nice ring in the middle, so I'll try it one more time. I'm just going to pour this in a little cup and pour it like that because my middle is not giving me the right design that I want. So I'm gonna pour it in a different cup and just pour it regularly. So this is the final, this is the wet result, guys. I like it a lot. I like all those little galaxies that are on there. I wanted to stretch it, but if I stretch it, it's just gonna ruin my my little rings. So I am not going to stretch it. I'm gonna let it dry like that. Then I'm just gonna go in later on and kind of embellish it, kind of make, you know, the white pop a little bit more. It looks really beautiful. I mean, in person, it looks awesome. It looks awesome. I love it. I'm glad I used this canvas for that reason. So yeah, beautiful work. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this finished and get ready. I have a eye doctor appointment this afternoon, so I'm gonna get ready for that, and I'll show you this when it's dry. I'm gonna show you the final result, and hopefully it will dry like this. I love it. It's beautiful. I bet you if I stretched it really good, all those colors would pop, but I'm afraid of stretching it, because if I stretch it, it's gonna mop all my my rings and I won't have anything to show really. Let's see. And when I tilt it, the only thing that's tilting over here is the middle cell, or the middle see that this middle one, that's the only one that's moving, and maybe the other one on that corner. So no, I'm just gonna leave it like that. It's beautiful the way it is. Awesome. Just leave it. Okay, yeah, so I went ahead and put it on a cleaner base, and yeah, so at least you can see it nicely now without too much stuff on it, under it. Oh yeah, that's what we have right there. Beautiful, huh? I don't wanna block my camera. But look at these cells. Look at these rings here. Yeah, there we go. This is how all the rings look like. And as you can see, the cloud mixture. Look how cloudy. It's nice and cloudy. Look at the rings. And the colors are good for the rings. The colors are good, I think. Look at the rings. Look like this. That looks like a blooming flower. Look at the yellow popping. There's another one over here. Looks nice. And like I said, I am going to look at these prominent, these crispy lines. They just so beautiful. Look at those cells from the blue green. Yeah. Yeah, that's and this is the middle that it wants to move all the time. So yeah, that's it. our work is done for today.